Hello everybody, today I am here to show you my TNT explosion. I made this with MCEdit. I'll put the download link in the description. Hold on, wait. Actually no, I probably shouldn't because it's already on someone else's YouTube video, so it's the same because I just went to a YouTube video and I used that link, so yeah. Well, let's just end up, hopefully my Minecraft doesn't lag. I'm gonna be inside it, blasting it. If my Minecraft kills, I'm gonna kill it. Here goes. So much lag. Oh my gosh. Well, that's what happens. Chunks keep loading. Makes a big hole in the ground. Yep, I'm going to do that again. I'm going to show you what happened. However, I just... You know what, I might hide this window. So yeah. Hopefully you can still see the screen. Yeah, let's just go into MCEdit. Here we go, TNT testing area. So that's all blown up. Let's see now. No, not tab. Not tab. Wait. Okay, how do I do this? I know how to do this, I just can't remember. Brush. There we go. Okay, so what we do is we type in TNT, or we just go down the list. Just ignore the background noise. Yeah. You just hold down the left click button, and yeah, you just. So yeah. So can you please be quiet? And you just keep doing that until you feel comfortable with how much TNT there is. It's just recording undo. I'm not sure if that's actually meant to do that. Anyway. So there we have it. Lots of TNT lying around. We'll just add some more and more. So yeah. We'll just keep doing that until we feel comfortable with the amount of TNT. So yeah, we'll be back later. And here we are once more, just putting some more TNT in with MCEdit. See how much TNT I've put in? That is a whole bunch of TNT. That's just, as you know, I gotta press Control S, and that'll save it all. We're just gonna wait for that to load. Luckily I've got a lightning fast computer, so it shouldn't take too long to load. Meanwhile, I'll go drink some tea while waiting. Be right back. Now we're back, and yes, that was a very nice cup of tea, thank you for asking. So, down to business. It's already saved, so no. Go back in. May as well just close that. I'm just gonna hide Bandicam for a minute. Well, actually, I'm just gonna hide it for the whole video. But hopefully you should still see everything. Okay. So, back to TNT testing area. Okay, there's all our TNT we put down. Whew. Yeah, Here goes. This is gonna be... Turn away! It will give you extreme lag. Oh, I'm already getting extreme lag just turning away. Oh my gosh. Oh. That's just outstanding. Amazing. Wait a minute, those noises are repeating. Minecraft's crashed, I think. Move the mouse around. See if it moves. Yep. Oh no! It's still alive. It's just repeating the noise, that's all. Kablam. 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 Oh, my computer can't handle this extreme lag. Well, I guess I'll just have to pause the video for a minute. Well, I can't exactly pause it because my Minecraft is stuck. Oh gosh. Oh. Next time I won't put as much TNT down. Extreme lag. We'll be right back. Big lag. Very big lag. Whoa, what's happened? Okay, it's very big lag. Oh my gosh, what am I gonna do? I think Minecraft is corrupted. Oh my gosh. Alright. Oh, it's not responding. No wonder. Oh man, this is gonna take forever. I may as well just pause the video until it's exploded fully. And hello everybody once again. Now, see the result of the second one? That took way longer than expected. I thought it would only go for about well, when it was about to blow up, I thought, oh crud, this is gonna lag. I thought it would only take a minute to 2 minutes, but it took like 25 minutes. So I might have to reduce the amount of TNT I use next time. I use too much sand and gunpowder. I hunt too many creepers. And too much in the desert. Well, I guess I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.